What if I told you there are strong buy penny stocks with institutional backing and concrete growth catalysts that could deliver multi-bagger returns in 2026? Stay with me, as I'm going to reveal these 6 compelling opportunities, providing the critical data points and investment theses you need to identify their explosive potential before the broader market catches on. Our first strong buy penny stock for 2026 is VinFast Auto Limited, ticker VFS. The ambitious Vietnamese electric vehicle manufacturer rapidly expanding its global footprint. Despite intense competition and significant financial headwinds, VinFast is executing a high-growth strategy that demands attention. In 2025, they delivered an impressive 197,000 EVs globally, a staggering 149% year-over-year increase, maintaining market leadership in Vietnam for 16 consecutive months. The company is actively restructuring into 3 distinct brand lines and has set an audacious target of 300,000 EV deliveries for 2026. International expansion is key, evidenced by new manufacturing facilities in India and Indonesia, and a recent memorandum of understanding for green taxi services in the Democratic Republic of Congo. While VinFast reported substantial net losses and negative gross profit margins in Q3 2025, their $3.7 billion in available liquidity, bolstered by strong commitments from parent Vingroup and founder Pham Nhat Vuong, provides a crucial runway. Analysts maintain a strong buy rating with price targets implying significant upside from current levels. This is a high-risk, high-reward play on a rapidly scaling EV producer with formidable backing, betting on their ability to conquer global markets and achieve profitability. Next up, Integra Resources Corp, ticker ITRG, a US-focused precious metals company that has successfully transitioned to a cash flow-backed gold producer. Integra's Florida Canyon mine is now self-funding development activities, with projected 2026 production of 70,000 to 75,000 ounces of gold. The true growth catalyst, however, is the Delamar project in Idaho, confirmed by a feasibility study as a low-cost oxide heap leach operation capable of producing 1.1 million ounces of gold, equivalent over 10 years. Crucially, the Delamar project benefits from an expedited federal permitting timeline under the FAST-41 program, targeting a record of decision by Q3 2027, significantly de-risking a major hurdle. Integra boasts a strong balance sheet with more cash than debt, and analysts are forecasting explosive EPS growth from $0.03 in FY25 to $0.52 in FY26. While elevated operating costs, significant capital requirements for development, and recent dilution from an equity raise below net asset value have led to a strong sell, technical signal, and some price target adjustments. Bullish calls from Stifel and Raymond James underscore confidence in Delamar's future. This company offers a unique blend of current production stability and transformative growth potential in the U.S. precious metals sector. Moving to number 3, we have Vizsla Silver Corp, ticker VZLA, a company with a world-class silver-gold asset and significant geopolitical risk. Vizsla is focused on its flagship Panuco project in Sinaloa, Mexico, a high-grade silver asset boasting reserves averaging 416 grams per ton silver equivalent. A robust November 2025 feasibility study demonstrated an after-tax net present value of $1.8 billion, an internal rate of return of 111%, and an astonishing 7-month payback period. With over $450 million in cash and zero debt, Vizsla is fully funded for construction through targeted first production in the second half of 2027. The Panuco project is slated to produce an average of 17.4 million ounces of silver equivalent annually over a 9.4-year mine life, with an industry-leading all-in sustaining cost of just $10.61 per ounce, placing it in the lowest cost quartile globally. This positions Vizsla perfectly to capitalize on favorable silver market dynamics. However, a devastating security incident in early 2026, involving the deaths of employees, has suspended operations and severely impacted investor confidence, leading to a national bank downgrade. Despite its undeniable asset quality, the high geopolitical risk and project delays make this a high-octane play, but with immense potential if those risks can be managed. Our fourth pick is Gold Royalty Corp, ticker GROY, an asset-light precious metals royalty and streaming company poised for explosive growth. GROY is in a transformative phase, with analysts projecting an astounding 83% year-over-year revenue growth for fiscal year 25 and a 360% increase in attributable gold equivalent ounces over the next 5 years. Their strategic acquisition spree, including the $45 million Borborema mine royalty and $70 million Pedra Branca royalty, is fueling this expansion, backed by successful public offerings and an expanded credit facility. Management is laser-focused on strengthening the balance sheet, targeting debt-free status by the end of 2026. Despite currently being unprofitable, analysts forecast a significant turnaround to profitability in fiscal year 26 with 0.06 EPS. The company's royalty model inherently boasts incredibly high gross margins of 90 to 95%, demonstrating its efficiency. While technical indicators currently flash a strong sell, and near-term production might be at the lower end of guidance due to operational transitions, the consistent positive operational cash flow and record EBITDA in Q3 2025 signal improving fundamentals. GROY offers leveraged exposure to rising gold prices and mining success without the direct operational risks, making it an exclusive strong buy for growth-oriented precious metals investors. Next up is Bitfarms Limited, ticker BITF, a cryptocurrency mining powerhouse in the midst of a radical, high-stakes transformation. This isn't just another Bitcoin miner. Bitfarms is strategically pivoting to become a leading North American high-performance computing and AI infrastructure provider. While Q3 2025 saw an earnings miss and weak gross profit margins, the 156% year-over-year revenue growth from continuing operations underscores strong underlying operational momentum. The real game changer is their secured power infrastructure, over 640 megawatts across strategic North American locations. Bitfarms isn't chasing current-gen AI chips. They're betting on NVIDIA's next-generation Vera Rubin GPUs, anticipating premium lease rates of 150 to 180 plus per kilowatt per month by 2027. This pivot, if successful, promises returns significantly higher than traditional Bitcoin mining. With over $1 billion in available capital and an upsized convertible note protecting against dilution, Bitfarms has the firepower. While execution challenges in this complex transition, Bitcoin price volatility, and a strong sell technical signal demand caution, analysts are forecasting profitability in 2026 with $0.31 EPS. This is a high-risk, high-reward play for investors betting on the convergence of energy infrastructure and AI. Finally, we have Grab Holdings Limited, ticker GRAB, the undisputed super app titan dominating Southeast Asia's digital economy. Grab has definitively pivoted from a growth-at-any-cost strategy to sustainable profitability, achieving its first full-year net profit of $200 million in 2025. This isn't a fluke. It's the result of 16 consecutive quarters of adjusted EBITDA improvement, with Q4 2025 EBITDA hitting $148 million, a staggering 54% year-over-year jump. The company's on-demand gross merchandise volume is accelerating, now up 21% year-over-year, with over 50 million monthly transacting users. Grab isn't just growing, it's scaling responsibly. Management has laid out ambitious 3-year guidance through 2028, targeting a 20% revenue CAGR, tripling adjusted EBITDA to $1.5 billion, and achieving an 80% adjusted free cash flow conversion. Their financial services segment is booming, aiming for a $2 billion loan portfolio by the end of 2026. While regulatory headwinds in Indonesia and intense competition pose challenges, Grab's robust balance sheet, expanding margins, and massive untapped market penetration make it a compelling strong buy for capitalizing on Southeast Asia's digital transformation. It's an undervalued growth story poised for long-term dominance. Now let's look at the core financials of these 6 high-potential penny stocks. For instance, VinFast, despite a hefty $7.25 billion market cap and impressive $2.55 billion in revenue, is battling significant losses with an EPS of -$1.50 and no disclosed gross margin, indicating it's still deep in its investment phase. In stark contrast, Grab Holdings, with an even larger $15.21 billion market cap and $3.37 billion in revenue, has already punched through to profitability, boasting a healthy 39.7% gross margin and a positive EPS of $0.065. This clearly showcases Grab's mature operational efficiency and robust market position in Southeast Asia. Then you have Integra Resources and Gold Royalty, both in the precious metal space, with Integra showing positive EPS of $0.081 and a 39.9% gross margin on $219 million in revenue. Gold Royalty, an asset-light royalty play, stands out with an astonishing 92.5% gross margin on a more modest $14.46 million in revenue, demonstrating the extreme efficiency of its business model, even with a slightly negative EPS of minus 0.038. Bitfarms, a Bitcoin miner pivoting to AI, is still in the red with an EPS of minus 38 cents and a thin 4.6% gross margin, reflecting the capital-intensive nature of its transition. And finally, Vizsla Silver, an exploration company, shows no revenue or gross margin yet, with an EPS of minus 0.37, illustrating its pre-production stage where potential outweighs immediate financial performance. So these are 6 strong buy penny stocks that could redefine your portfolio by 2026. Which of these high-potential plays are you most bullish on, and why? Drop your insights, predictions, and alternative picks in the comments section below. And don't miss our video right here on 5 undervalued growth stocks to buy and hold.